What's up and welcome back to DNA's Garage, and today I want to take some time out of my day and talk about one of the most important things in this goddamn industry. We want to get anywhere and you want to earn that title, Master Tech. You've taken time and decide that you want to be Master Tech and you want to put the work in. Now these are 5 tips that you got to be able to put in. Number 1, ASE themselves offer their own questions, their own style of questions. Now I am not a book person at all. Number 1, I like to focus and I like to be on the go. I like to have the website on my hands and know that the questions that I just answered, I got it right. I don't like the back and forth that the books bring. I don't like that. So if you're like me, I suggest websites. Since I don't know what type of person you are, I'm going to be leaving the links for both books and websites on the description below. Moving on to number 2, accept questions. Now wait, let me say that one more time. Accept questions. This is something so important. I've missed the test by 1 question, and it's because I didn't pay attention to that accept question. Now, if you've taken an ASE test before, you know what type of questions I'm talking about. I'm talking about all of the following except. And the bad thing about these questions is they can go both ways. They can go the right way or the wrong way. So you gotta pay attention and understand what they're asking for. Number 3, know the content. You can't just come in there not knowing a damn thing about a car. And that's where I made my first mistake. I didn't prepare, but I'm making this video so you can. Moving on to number 4. This might seem really silly, but they got me and they can get you too. You have to be able to read the question and understand what they're talking about because you are on a time crush. And it all depends on you getting the question right. Number 5, don't let it get to you. I personally know so many people that fail one test and never went again. And I didn't let that define who I wanted to be. Right here, did not pass 1 question. But I didn't let that get to me. I went the next week and took it again, and guess what? I passed. If you find these 5 tips helpful, make sure you leave a like down below, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want to see another one of these. I pass.
That was really nice.
Master Tech!
Master Tech!